Here's how to loose lace Jordan 4s featuring Lakers 2026. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to be feeding each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side from above. So just take your lace end on the left and push it through a little bit. Swap to the other one. And bring that one down into the very bottom eyelet on the right. Before you go ahead and pull that through, take a hold of your two lace ends together, grab your Jordans, and just slowly pull that lace, and that'll mean they'll come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it, just make sure they're equal before we get started. Great, now we're going to start with the lace on the right. Bring it over the sneaker tongue to the left and down into the next empty eyelet on the left from above. Pull that through, making sure there's no twist in the laces, and you don't want to make this too tight because this is a loose lace style. Swap to your left lace, bring it over to the right and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Looking good. Keep a hold of the same lace, bring it back over to the left and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Swap to the other one, bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet on the right. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed, just pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all. Then we're just going to keep a hold of the lace on the right, bring it over to the left and down into the next empty eyelet. Swap to the lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down to the next empty eyelet. Looking good. Keep a hold of it, bring it back over to the left and down to the next empty eyelet. And swap to your lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down to the next empty eyelet. Looking good, we're getting there. Keep hold of this same lace, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. And then swap to the lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down to the next empty eyelet on the right. Keep hold of this lace, bring it over to the left and down to the next empty eyelet. Then swap to your left hand lace, bring it to the right and down to the next empty eyelet. Now we've reached the little bit with the plastic, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, down through the plastic and down into the eyelet. It can be a little bit fiddly, so just take your time, don't damage your sneakers and make sure you're getting it through. Looking good. Then take a hold of your lace from the left and you want to bring it over to the right, down through the plastic and down through the eyelet. Looking good. Now we're going to do our final bit of the pattern. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, and instead of going down through the final bit of the eyelet, we're going to bring it up through from underneath. So bring it through and you want to pull it through about this much. And this bit should be in the middle of the plastic bit, if that makes sense. So there's 3 eyelets, it's the middle one. Swap to the lace, bring it over, and we're going to do the same on this side, up through the next empty eyelet from underneath, through the plastic, making sure it's through the middle hole, and you pull it through about this much. Looking good. Then with these excess laces, you can just go ahead and loosen up these laces a little bit to get your foot in and out, or you can tuck them behind the sneaker tongue for a really crisp look. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Jordan 4s. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for all your sneaker lacing content. Thanks a lot, guys.